Hi there and welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I've been able to film. I've been very busy. As many of you know, I started a new job working for a company called Wings, which has been so amazing. I've learned so much, I've had so much fun, I've met the most incredible people. If you want to know more about that, I talked about it in my previous video, so you can check that out. But yeah, I'm back. I'm also, I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I'm also coming back from having a horrible cold. It was not COVID. I did many rapid tests. It was not COVID, but I was quite sick for a couple days and it's just still lingering in my voice a little bit, so I apologize. And also, my hair is different again. I am blonde once again. I just really love changing my hair. If you haven't noticed, if you're a longtime viewer, you know that I change my hair a lot. But anyway, hi, I'm back. I hope you're doing well. I'm doing good. I'm doing really good. There's a lot of really exciting things happening in my life right now, and I'm freaking excited about them. So that's great. I just wanted to pop on here and welcome you to this video and also tell you a little bit of what we're going to be doing in this video today. I got something sent to me and I'm going to show it to you later on, but I'm very excited because I think it's going to come in handy. It's going to come in handy this video as I prepare for a shop update. Now, it's been a while since I've had a shop update. It's been quite a while. As I said, I've been very busy, so shop updates have been kind of put on hold. But recently I've decided I want to have a huge sale. I want to clear out some of my past shipping materials. I want to clear out some of my past prints, some of my past designs. I just want to do a big clear out sale. I have some big ideas and plans for the future as to how to make my business a little bit more manageable for me with all the things going on in my life and all the things I want to do with my time. And I think step one is going to be clearing out a whole bunch of stuff from my stock. So I'm going to take you guys along with me as I prepare for this shop update, and I'm going to show you that cool new thing I got, and we're going to make a whole bunch of stuff and do a whole lot of preparation. So come on, join me, let's catch up, let's hang out, and I'll see you later in the video. Hello my friends! The first thing I need to do in this video is tackle my messy studio space. It has gotten a little bit out of control, so here is a little time lapse of me cleaning it up. So now that I've done some cleaning and I cleared off a space on my desk, I can finally show you guys the super exciting thing I was talking about earlier in this video. Now, you might recognize the branding and you might recognize this product as I've seen it all over TikTok and Instagram. It is a thermal label printer from a company called Phomemo. They reached out to me recently and asked if they could send me one of their pink thermal label printers, and I was so excited. And it came in the mail just the other day, and look how cute it is. They also sent me a couple different sizes of labels to use with it, and I'm very excited to mess around with these. And I have a very particular use in mind for this product, so I'm excited to talk more about that very soon. Thank you so much, Phomemo. Okay, so I have this whole baggie of B-grade stickers. Look at my hand for scale. Look at how many stickers are in here. There's so many. So these are all slightly imperfect. They're honestly, there's nothing super wrong with them. These ones are all like usable still. Mostly, I think a lot of the issues with these is they're either cut slightly crooked, or for some of them I peeled off the outer layer. So on the ones that I sell in my store, that outer layer would be pink. But yeah, so this sticker is perfectly fine. It just doesn't look quite like the ones in my shop. Therefore, it's a B grade. Also, hi Chansey. I have quite a few of these and I don't want to waste them, and I've just been holding on to them forever. So my plan is to sell them in mystery bundles, and I would like to use this to create a little label to seal the mystery bundle bags.
Maybe I'll design something that says like whoopsie stickers or something like that. I don't know, but we're gonna design something and then we're gonna print it out with this guy. I'm excited.
Hello, hi, welcome to the hair dyeing segment of this video. I spontaneously decided that I wanted to dye my hair, and I wanted to do something I've never done before. I wanted to do half of the side pink and half of the other side purple, okay? Now I have some super old Manic Panic dye that I've had for years and years, and I actually didn't have as much pink as I thought I did. So that kind of sucked. But I mixed up both those colors, pink and then some purple, and then decided to split my hair into 2 sections so that I could just go at it. Just throw some dye on, see what happens. Yeah, super fun, lots of fun. I've been using Manic Panic dye for a long time, not sponsored or anything, but it's just one of the temporary hair dyes that's very easy to get in Canada. And I've had pretty good experiences. I did use their red one time and it did not leave my hair. But yeah, with the pink and purple, I've always had lots of fun. Also, enjoy this segment of me struggling with this glove for 12 years. I don't know, this glove was made for children because it did not fit my hand at all. It was so difficult. Yeah.
Not even on
Here
right.
I'm getting angry because it's literally not even on my hand properly, and I ended up ditching it, actually. Anyway, here's me putting on the pink and right away realizing that that is just not gonna stay in my hair. It is so light that there's no way. There's not enough pigment to it. So I was kind of questioning everything at that point. But, I committed. I was like, we're just gonna do this. We're gonna see how it works. We're just gonna commit. Everything was already mixed up and ready. I was in my hair dyeing shirt, okay? I was ready. So I committed. I just slopped that on there, hope for the best. And then we move on to the purple side. After getting the purple dye all on there, the last step was to let it bake on my head for, I think I left it for just around an hour. And I will show you guys what it looks like when it is complete. See you later. Hi! Okay, so my hair is done. I will say it did not turn out exactly like I would have thought. I will show you. It's braided right now because it's actually been a couple days later. And it's quite dirty. But the dye did not stick quite as well as I thought, and the purple side is more blue than anything else, and then the pink side is like barely pink, but I digress. This is what it's looking like. Look how cool it looks in a braid. I'll spin around so you guys can see the back. Hopefully it doesn't look too crusty. But yeah, that's my hair. I will show it to you guys when I take it out of this braid too after I give it a wash. But this is what I'm dealing with at the moment. Some cotton candy Harley Quinn type hair. But yeah, anyway. Sometimes I just really like to change up my hair, especially, you know, you get in like a little bit of a rut and then you change up your hair and you're like, oh, okay. So yeah, I felt like changing up my hair. But yeah, let's get some stuff done. Hi again. Okay, so like I said before, I really want to use this little thermal printer that I got from Phomemo to make some labels for some B-grade sticker pack bundles that I want to do. And what I want to do is make them like mystery pack bundles and just put like, I don't know, like 5 or 10 stickers in. I don't even know how many yet. I haven't decided. First step is to design the label though. So
The way this thing works, I messed around with it a little bit, but the way this thing works is you can use their app on your phone to like create your own label with like a lot of like custom or like pre-made assets, I guess, that they have on the app. And you can also import an image. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my iPad and Procreate, and I'm going to create a label that is black and white and is the exact same size as these labels that I have in here right now, so that we can print it, and it's gonna be custom, and it's gonna be great. So anyway, let's design that sticker. Okay, so here's the finished design. It's nothing super fancy, but yeah, let's give it a try. Okay, so I did a couple. The first two kind of cut off the label at the bottom, but the very last one I shrunk the design just a touch, and it looks really cute. It looks super cute. Yeah, I think it works really well. I'm really excited to make up a sticker pack, so I might just try and like throw one together just so we can see what it looks like, and yeah, let's do it. So I think I'm gonna do it in these smaller baggies. Okay, so what if I did like 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe? Let's just try this. And if I do them backwards, then you cannot see. Then we'll fold it. And we'll put the label on it. Look! They're cute! So there we go. There is a little mystery sticker pack. It's obviously nothing super fancy, but that's kind of the point, right? Like, I have all these stickers that would probably otherwise just be thrown out, which I can't do that. So I will just sell them for cheap in these little mystery packs, and hopefully people will enjoy them. I think I'm gonna wrap up the video here because I have quite a bit that I've filmed already, and I've already started filming for my next video as well, so things are getting confusing and I think I need to wrap this video up. But thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I hope you enjoyed it. I have been doing so much planning and preparing for the future shop update that's coming, the big sale that's coming, first and foremost, the big sale, so I can clear out a whole bunch of old stuff and we can get ready for some exciting new stuff that I cannot wait to share with you guys. You don't even know. There's so much stuff coming, so many exciting changes happening, so many new projects, so many new, it's crazy. It's crazy. But yeah, first things first, let's clear out some old stock, make some room, and I will see you guys next week. Hopefully by the time this video is out, my sale will be either live or very close to being live. So check that out. Check out my sale. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye! So here we are at the very end of the video. I'm doing some evening stamping of envelopes, and I just wanted to say that my shop is open and the sale is live. So if you want to check that out, I definitely recommend. It's lunaloo.com. Check it out. There's lots of things for 50% off, and yeah, there's so many deals. So definitely check it out. Anyway, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Seemed to help a little bit. A little. Good night, Dad.